People come to Champion for a variety of reasons: home improvement loans, education loans, refinancing a first mortgage, and more recently, our many consumer debt management programs. Did you know that 66% of all American consumers carry balances on their high-interest credit cards? Balances that could take longer than 30 years to pay off because of the high interest rates. Champion is leading the industry in developing programs to manage and eliminate consumer debt. In the last decade, we've helped thousands of people keep a greater part of their income for themselves and their children. Welcome to Champion Mortgage. You've taken a very positive step toward improving the quality of your life.
Thanks for considering Champion. We've prepared this short videotape to help you understand what we do and how we can meet your needs. We've asked some of our loan officers and employees to assist in the making of this tape. They'll give you some insight into our philosophy and just how we do business here at Champion. And hopefully, you'll see in them what I see: a real concern and dedication for our company and especially our customers.
Becoming one of the largest lenders in our industry required that we listen closely to our customers. We're constantly monitoring the pulse of the American public to determine how to best meet their needs. During this program, you'll see excerpts from actual focus group studies where people express their feelings about Champion. Out of our focus group research came the idea for our most popular program called Pay Down Your Debt. For most of our customers, Pay Down Your Debt is like found money.
It's a program designed to take someone's overall profile, meaning their credit cards and their car loans, if necessary, put them all together into one simple monthly payment. Through a home equity loan, we can lower people's payments by hundreds of dollars a month.
Customers that'll call back weeks later just saying how happy they were, that, you know, they felt so good mailing off all those checks to their credit card companies and then getting new statements that had zero balances on them. They just called me for no reason, just saying that they were happy.
Are you paying less each month now?
Quite a bit less.
Quite a bit less?
Well, I'd say
how much?
$1,300, $1,400 a month.
At least $500.
At least. Laura?
I'm saving about maybe $450.
About $500, $600.
Jean?
About $600, $700.
Pay Down Your Debt was designed for homeowners with good credit who want to free up more of their monthly income. Our Clean Slate program, however, is designed specifically for homeowners who experience credit problems because of unmanageable bills. For so many of our customers, Clean Slate offers a second chance to start again. And for the employees of Champion, Clean Slate gives us the feeling that we're really making a difference in our customers' lives.
I get people that are embarrassed about their financial situation. What I tell them is that everybody has had some type of blip or credit problem, so I make them at ease and make them feel comfortable knowing that they're not the only ones out there with a credit problem.
I'm the first person that people talk to when they call 1-800-CHAMPION. Many times they call and they're distraught, they're at their wit's end. They've been turned down by many other institutions or their banks, and at this point feel that there's just no help for them out there, that nobody's going to be able to or want to help them. And basically I try to let them know that we are their friend, to make them gain our confidence, to let them know that if anything could possibly be done, that Champion certainly would do it.
Called up assuming that we were in, nobody'd ever been in this position before. They were very understanding, helpful. I just connected with the woman on the phone and just felt like I could tell her anything.
One of our most exciting products is the Champion Gold Check. It's a low-cost home equity reserve for up to $250,000, and it's easy to qualify for. The Gold Check is the perfect way to finance any expense or project that may come up. Home improvements, college tuition, a wedding, or a new addition to the family are just a few good reasons to have the flexibility of Champion Gold Check.
Well, recently I had a customer who was very concerned with being able to pay for their daughter's wedding. I found that the Gold Check program was the best program for them to be in due to the fact that they were able to write out checks for the wedding, for the flowers, for the limo.
I had a recent customer that spoke about a dream room that her and her husband were talking about building. She even got out the blueprints to show me exactly what they were planning on doing. It was just very, very satisfying that knowing that the Champion Gold Check program was going to help these customers fulfill a lifetime dream.
Many people come to us to refinance their first mortgage. By getting to know our customers, we can do more than just lower an interest rate. We can help them find extra money to enhance the value of their home, or to pay off some bills, or to invest in the future. It all starts with getting to know each customer's unique situation.
What we're able to show them is that we can put the mortgage together and refinance them and actually get them the extra money to put that new roof on, or put vinyl siding on, or modernize the kitchen, or add an extra bathroom, whatever they want to do to the house, and actually keep the payment about the same.
I worked for another mortgage company. They didn't really encourage us to really care about our customers. They just taught us that they were numbers, they were applications. Here at Champion, we really put a feeling into it. We want to know our customers on a personal level, and we really know their needs and wants.
You've been hearing a lot about how Champion works. Perhaps what you really want to know is how easy the process will be from start to finish. Here are some employees and customers to talk about what you're going to experience.
People are surprised when we can offer them a few different ways of getting together, whether they come in and see us at our branch, or we go into their home and sit down with them, and we handle things over the phone initially. By being so flexible, it kind of takes the client off guard.
Well, I got the postcard from them. I sent it back. I heard from them within 24 hours. They called me and said what time and day is convenient for us to come over and talk to you in your home.
I call the customer and introduce myself. Let them know that I'm here to help them through the process. I send out a package of information to them that's going to give them directions for the closing and tell them all the documents they need to get together.
Everything that they said, they stood behind. Everything they said they were going to do for you, they did for you. They calmed you down. They made you feel like they could help you. And I don't have a word for that, but that statement describes confidence.
The fact that Champion can pull it all together over the phone and consolidate everything for you and make everything very concise and say do this, 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 and this, send you a checklist and just prod you along a little bit, get everything in order, and then have you show up at the closing within 2 weeks is, I think, it's tremendous work.
Sometimes a customer has trouble finding or locating certain documents. Being in my position, I've had a lot of experience with that aspect. I generally am able to tell them where to find it, and if for some reason they can't, I usually have a phone number that'll help them.
I can't tell you the amount of people that I have talked to about Champion. I've spoken to attorneys about Champion and said, so you have clients who have difficulties, have them call Champion. It's like an incredible experience. You'll love it.
People are very excited to recommend people that give them good service, and I find that I've been very successful in building not only relationships with my customers but also with their friends.
So you were happy with the service? I'd like to hear more about the service.
Service was phenomenal.
Service was excellent.
Yes. I felt so good I sent a woman a basket of fruit.
In my own personal situation, before I came to Champion, I was 10 weeks with someone who I referred tons of business to I thought would bend over backwards for me. And it took 10 weeks and massive amounts of documentation. And he couldn't do in 10 weeks what Champion did in 10 days.